How to verify Wise account. To verify a Wise account, simply open the Wise app and log into your Wise app. And now you can simply initiate a transfer or add a currency to trigger the request. So whenever you're trying to send money to someone from here, or maybe you're trying to add a respective currency, then it will automatically trigger a request to verify your account if you haven't done so. So you can select your respective account, then tap on the add recipient button. Whenever you're trying to pay for someone by using a bank detail or finding them on Wise, you'll be able to basically go ahead and then enter your government account details, and once done, your Wise account will be verified. If you open the Wise app and also go to your profile from the top left, and if you scroll down to the limits section, you will see what kind of limits are imposed on your account. In my case, my account is already verified, so there are no limits associated with my profile, but if there is, you should be able to find them here. That's it for this video. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.